On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it's about classes in Python. You can learn about class attributes, methods, inheritance, and modules while looking at sample code. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. In Python, a class is a central concept in object-oriented programming, OOP, that defines a template for organizing data and the methods that operate on that data. Using classes, you can create data structures and encapsulate behaviors related to the data. To define a class in Python, use the class keyword. Below is the structure and usage of a basic class. Attributes of a class refer to the data or state held by an object. In the example above, attribute is an instance attribute. Methods are functions defined within a class that specify operations on an object. For instance, the display_attribute method shown above. The init method is called the constructor and is executed when an object is created. It initializes the instance. Creating an object from a class is known as instantiation. In the example above, my class is instantiated to create obj. With the created object, you can call methods defined in the class or access attributes. Classes support inheritance, allowing attributes and methods to be inherited from other classes, parent or base classes. A new class, subclass, can extend its parent class to add functionality. In this way, Python classes are a powerful means of logically associating data and procedures. Other elements of object-oriented programming, such as polymorphism and encapsulation, can also be implemented through classes. A module in Python is a unit for organizing and reusing Python code. A module is a file containing Python code, and the functions, classes, variables, etc. within it can be imported and used by other Python code. By using modules, code reusability is improved, and programs become more organized and easier to maintain. To create a module, you just need to save a file containing Python code. For example, saving a file with the following content as my_module.py makes it a module. To use a created module in another file, you use the import statement. You can also import specific functions or variables. You can assign an alias when importing a module. This makes it easier to access the module while writing code. Python provides a wide range of built-in standard library modules. You can import and use modules such as the Math module or the OS module. A package is a collection of multiple modules organized in a directory structure. Using packages allows for better organization of more code and supports large-scale applications. Leveraging modules and packages in Python allows you to write more efficient and organized programs. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching until the end. Please subscribe to the channel and look forward to the next video.